Ahwana born ne five as amado ntimi anya wo hwe. We no ka chem say adwuma na si. And I who score line and who score line na bisa tete kotoko mpanyimfo no. Tete kotoko no. Memeswa no ka kotoko ladies so. No ne ma me nyame mfa ne kran say DSP Helena Kobna. Kotoko ladies then. Na very powerful. Rich. Before ye bebo game no. Ye di kan ye hu adwuma o. Enti ade abechi am ya akono. Na score line da ho ensesa. Sa time no sa na kro biate. Na mo ka say Zamalek ne Ali mu ane ye omu hu adwuma no. Enye a ball ne nko spiritually we were very powerful. But no sa ne mani nyina no. Apart from nti ye adwuma pa.
Ye be di democracy cap no nko but we dey me some mama Kwasi Sibo. A picture wo YouTube na fe ye tiefo ne ahefo nso no. Emehwe ya brand no Kwasi we understand senanka onya deal bi ana ye te se abante be ko ayeteki na wakwa kusi akan ho but along the line na ena sa deal no e collapse e say we understand say owem awo Libya on a Libyan champions swali abante no $10 million and abante so enya from a team no na for no so kwakusi akan the ama the Libyan air champions na so in the Bible ntina no e be fu say as abante no from the do because from Real Oviedo Spain at least nka de anya hwe kra no Saudi Arabia bi ana Turkey ana titititi but Libya there as abante na from the do I don't know quick one bina yam family
Rich the tennis
democracy cap no
your brand ebo life na edru ba bia wo hwe sika his agent meboa na yenti ade biase North Africa omusika sem no kra no aya na wo sro che Turkish teams no so we normally we La Liga na we EPL no na we Bundesliga Rich any Serie A advisable so player nanke sika na hwa ma nem ko North Africa me especially South Scandinavian countries Sweden and Norway and Denmark lum crade omunim so omuntimi compete in North Africa there be omuntimi Rich Nancy ameno kasei Nabi Ali unim so afa new coach Hussein Amwata ofano Amwata je $1.2 million a season ti amount na me boy no $1.2 million a season. How many coaches and on beko e bi Turkey and this house Sweden in Norway no more no more says can you bet you at the amount and baby I do make the bottom line is to make money now on stay active after a whole na a competitive league and to me feel say a good move
by a players in North Africa growth in
Nkoye
okay the last time a Ghanaian player be call North Africa
no
or back no because a player said your corners are no banner.
Rich series of
no,
there were exceptional cases in Eric Bakwe, Betimiaka, Yankasa John Nhyira, but there are just few of the players are come
problem
because a honum no I adaptation here extremely difficult and a honum some producer their friend in Yimuno ayana hopa minim players we bring him komo about omukowa situations bi ayo omu fifem e dey pass e be accept now born no cry am farm on wa charge udin so and normally sa part on omu bre but me sure say with Sibo the level of experience exposure ni ade no probably he'll be appreciated and based on that e bi na wan go through a lot now say after all yenya yaya boy kotoko left back ya Moro kotoko left back is all
so Sudan na
yes okay but okay performing ebi mo so come ya appreciate you or accept you mo but do na akwa emfa and on there and okay but I say Sibo o hwe ba bi o free ya ekro ma so ekro from abrant here baby o free ne niam wa fefem any baby okoko pie and it's urban of Africa at least when your life experience to say hustling in life wa hu ni nyina ensa na okwa kodru sa level no ti yes sure so betimi adjust to the system or to the situation. The bottom line is for him to stay active. They here no say your national team players no they must stay active so that omonya rusty now my from ama me issue me share from that perspective and me feel say it's kind of a good money Rich a good money
okay yendi democracy cap no hunko
okay